this bag, and it was also in a DHL bag. So this is how the hair comes in this nice little satin bag. This is from Her Given Hair. Hair comes inside of the bag like this, and they also did include this, which is also in a little bag. And this basically is like info on the hair about shedding, how to co-wash it, and different steps on daily care and stuff like that on the hair. It does come with some extra clips just so that you will have them in case any come loose. And then the hair comes like this, so I definitely need to co-wash it, comb it out, and get it ready. I also do get this card in here that tells you the info. So this is clip-in extensions. The hair texture is curly. This is a 3B 3C pattern. They do have natural curl patterns on their website, so you can kind of look at how your hair is if you know your hair type. I just picked this one because I just thought it looked similar, but for what I'm gonna do, it doesn't really matter that much. So this is a Glam set of 18 inches, so you have a full amount that you can do a full head with. The weight of this is 215 grams. The hair color is the natural hair color. I will list the info down below. They do have the hair clipped off like this, so I'm gonna cut that open and show you what you get. So once you take the zip ties off, then you can see all of the different bundles that you have and how many clips are on each weft and everything like that. So I'm just gonna unravel everything and lay it out so I can tell you what comes with. To start off with, you do get these two that have 2 clips, and these are the 2 shortest ones that you get, which will be good for like the front area or whatever. Also have 2 more with 2 clips, and these are a bit longer than the first one. So as you can see, you have 2 clips on each one. To compare it, you can see here that the top one is definitely longer than the first set. Next up, you have 2 of the 3 clip wefts, so you do have 3 clips going across on these. Next, you have 2 of the 4 clip wefts, so you have 4 clips going across on these. And lastly, you have 2 with 5 clip wefts going across. So those are all of the bundles that you get, and curly hair is pretty full already as it is, but we're gonna co-wash it and comb it out and everything so we can get the natural curl pattern to pop and be nice and moisturized. Okay, so here I am at the sink. I am wetting the hair down first, and then we're going to actually shampoo it and condition it. At first I was just gonna do a co-wash, but I decided I might as well just go ahead and run some shampoo through it once. So I am using this Cantu shampoo, and I'm just going to use this. It's for natural hair, so I feel like it should work pretty good on this hair because it is meant to mimic a natural curl pattern. So I did just run the shampoo through it once, and then I'm going to go in with some conditioner, and then I'm also going to take my Denman brush and start to detangle the hair and brush it out. But you will see in a little bit how I actually left the hair out to define the curls and everything so that it wouldn't be super frizzy. So I'm just going to rinse this out, and then boom, we on to the next clip. So now I'm taking this leave-in, it's like a curl cream that I'm using. This is by Mark Anthony. It's the coconut oil one, and I just use some of this and put it into the hair. And then what I'm going to do is separate out the hair and comb them out individually and just lay them out to air dry. And that's how I defined all of the curls. I was busted, but I already prepped my hair. I still have to do my baby hairs and like kind of re-slick my pony. But I did wash my hair, and I put 2 little plaits in the back. So I'm going to show you. So this is how the back looks. You could just do one ponytail. You could do cornrows, whatever you want to do. It's not perfect. And then I have a ponytail at the top. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our clip-ins. I already co-washed them or washed them and put conditioner, all of that. And I did not use any gel on my hair. This is just like conditioner and a little bit of gel right here. So we gotta still slick this up some more, but I just washed my hair and did a leave-in on it. So I just left some of this in that I used on the actual clip-ins, and then I used some of this as well. So here I am kind of wrapping up my 2 ponytails, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin to just hold them together. Like I said, you could do 1 ponytail, cornrows, whatever you want to do. This just works good for me with the 2 ponytail thing. So I'm just going to start clipping off the hair. You can't even really see that much what I'm doing because the clips are hidden, so it's kind of hard to really tell what I'm doing. But you just want to slide the hair up and like clip it into your hair, and then you want to go ahead and press down on it so the clips will be secure. So before you actually apply them, you do need to open up the clips and then place it onto your hair, and then go ahead and clip them off so that they will stay in place. So that is what I'm doing. You'll see me pushing down and stuff. So that's just clipping off the hair, and then I'm gonna grab another piece and clip it on, and then grab another piece and clip it on, and so on and so on. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but I did kind of try to show y'all how I clip the hair in the back. And you can just use whichever wefts work best for you and your head shape, or whatever that will fit across your head. Okay, so now I just clip the back in. I can't see how it looks, if it's perfect, whatnot. All right, so that's how it's looking. It's very curly. Y'all know I don't be wearing my natural hair, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. So let me turn the fan on because I'm hot. I'm sorry. I made a little ball because I really don't know how I want to do this, so I'm just trial and error in it right now. I'm just adding the hair on and clipping it onto my little bun. All right, so that's one little thing of hair. And I'm just kind of putting this close to the base of the pony, y'all. All right, so this how we looking right now. Crazy, but it's got potential. I might have clipped too much hair at the top, but I think I'm gonna do a bun or something. I don't know. Now I feel like we look real crazy. I don't got no baby hairs out. My forehead look huge. I don't got on no makeup, nothing. But it's definitely giving natural hair type curls. So we about to work this situation out. I might take off that last one that I just put on because I feel like it's very full. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's too much hair, so I'm gonna take that one off and put a different one. That looks better already. That was too much hair at first, and we're definitely gonna wrap some hair around or put like a little cute thing in the front, whatever, just to wet that back down. And then I'm gonna take some Eco Styling gel to slick this up. I didn't want to use a whole lot of gel because I feel like my hair, it just will not look wavy because it just stretches out so easily whenever I'm doing like a ponytail or something. So if your hair is super wavy and you can see your waves more, I think that's cuter because it just goes with the curly hair. But my hair tends to stretch out and look straight, you know, whenever I'm doing a ponytail or something. So not really working for me like that. But yeah, so I'm just putting some gel on top, and then I'm gonna take a brush and brush that in. Like y'all could see, my hair is like slick straight. Like where's my waves? I want my waves to popping. That's why I didn't really want to use gel, but if I don't, it's gonna be falling. Okay. And the white stuff that y'all see is leave-in conditioner. It will dry, of course. All right. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges because Lord, I need them. I'm just pulling down some hair to make it easier. So I think I fixed it where you can kind of see my waves a little bit. I guess if my hair is just pulled kind of tight, you can't really see it. So I'm kind of just wetting this back down so you can kind of see my waves a little more and loosening it. Like, it definitely looks more wavy now. Okay? Could, of course, rock it like this. But first, you want to definitely wrap some hair around. I added a couple more clips in the back just to make the back fuller. And you can leave some of your hair out to cover the back if you want to. But what I'm going to do is just take some hair from this. Then just leave a layer of it down to cover any clips. Like so. Boom. Have hair to cover the back. And then you can fluff this out and wear it as a ponytail. Okay, let me back y'all up some so you can kind of see kind of how it looks if you do a pony. It looks very natural but very full, defined. I wish that it was longer. This is only 18 inches though, so you know, it's a very natural looking length. Okay, so I don't know what just happened. I don't know if I was recording, but this is kind of how it looks if you do the ponytail at the top. Of course, it'll look cuter once I put me some makeup and stuff on, but it's rainy today, so you know it is what it is. So this is how it looks. I'm going to show you the back. I just have to get used to it because it's definitely more of a natural type of look, but I think it's cute. I do wish that it was longer, but it's very, you know, like a natural type length. But I feel like my hair is this long, so I probably would prefer longer, but yeah, I'm gonna rock it today. Okay, so I wanted to come and show y'all how it looks the next day. I still don't have no makeup on or nothing, but I didn't really like wrap it up. I just kind of like clipped all of it up and then I took it down, and this is how it looks. So the curls didn't get like super frizzy or anything. Like you could totally you know, take it down the next day and not really have to wet it or add anything. Like I think it still looks very curly. It's very full. It's just not something I'm used to because I don't usually wear curly hair that is this curly or something that would look so natural. Like it's different for me. But yeah, and I didn't relay my baby hairs or anything. I took in a shower, slept in it, everything. So yeah, it holds up really good. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show y'all that.